Total, yeah, total. Go, brother. I didn't know. Go, brother. Ah, brother, what we Mose? EJ, me, brother, when you wanna? Okay, Mose. Sister. Eh? Ha. But here, when I Mose, oh, Mose. Go, brother. Brother, they can ya. Go, brother, what? I'm fancy wherever. Go, brother, they can ya to tell you all. People, the Amanka when I Mose, little town, Tony, ah. Near to tell. Okay, need to tag. Hey, hey, brother, you go where you done now. EJ me, sister Mary Michelle. Hey, my working as you. Oh, sister, didn't I hear you, man? Why it's your nonna? Come, brother. Come, brother. I'll tell you more sangue. Come, brother. Come, brother. Look here. Brother, I was so with my daddy. What is that? I was so with my daddy. Ah, okay. Come, brother. Brother, I want moment. They don't need. They need more water. Ijo. They need more water. Brother, they don't move any. Ah, where's the brother? Where's the brother? But I don't have one belly, brother. Okay. Brother, be via Mona. Come, brother, where's it? You must say. Ah, brother, you want sugar you wear? A sugar waro. Sister, you Misha. Ah, Ijo. Come, brother. A sugar waro. On a one more door. Come, brother. Sister, why are you? Okay. Oh, one moment, my brother, my poor error. My brother, mana, poor error. Brother, move where else I'm waiting for you. When you're brother. Akateria. Hey, go, brother. Brother, you back way. What again, maybe? Brother, me. And if you're with you, brother, what's the number if you're with you? Okay. Brother, remember. I must say, hey, brother, oh, hey. Ta maman c'est mais village girl. Na. Nisi kewe. Brother, they know how, brother. Otutu okpa wa la dia me ba otutu okpa me ti kewe. Ya mudia isi kewe otutu okpa re wa. Me no otutu no ni hin. Okay, nisi kewe kere. Brother, brother, who we are here? You are your work, man. Brother, totally. Totally. Okay, but. Brother, do you know who name? Who are you coming with? Oh, you come in Samuel. Oh, brother, you moleke nu. Mineral you want. Mineral You come in Samuel are there now. And why you Samuel with marriage? I'm walking in Samuel and marriage. You want to like you, yeah, come in Samuel. Yeah, come with you both coming. Well, do you both come? Oh, me to tell you will it very bad on your work. Yeah, party one. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, you are buying my boy, yeah, pa. You to tell you guys, man. And so, Rene. Cause, oh, yeah. You may total. Sister, the Benayario, Gado Panario, Gado, may say, you with Brodana. May say, you with Brodana. Morning is say, yo, one moment, may say, you with Brodana. Oh, okay, I took that. Okay. This time, brother, we must say, away the village fine girl. We must say, now we want so good. We need if you're around, like, Mr. You're not stone again, Mr. Hey, cover. Oh, brother, what ma. Hey, brother, what ma. Come, brother. So then one move you want. Remember, you don't baby to that cannot say where Jay, yet he baby cannot say where Jenny. Man, not darling on his own, man, darling on his own. Make him a billion, you want now. I'm moon, I'm a woman, buy me, I don't buy your wife. Remember, boy, now where the fine girl, I don't buy your wife. The village, I don't need gay, I buy your wife. May you come at you? I very fancy where you buy. You can't do your thing, you're not way. You're my baby, made the fine girl, no. It's a begging your way, you're there. Una bota J ave baba. Una bota weekend day. Una weekend day bota. Imetu wa na isame we need to ba imadako days ba. Mana do to isame gbahian yan we marriage ya una ina ni be ekododo khamu we ma do we nene brother to kon ni brother we wa mo se o but ni brother ya pa ya ge mo che oni yo bo ma egbo wona mu me gide isami age mo ade mere mo pe ti re I try da won iwu ni ke ko khamu wa ta me stave okay, what am I yo? Okay, the Edo village. Edo get comedy. I'm yo na me be gbe yo. Don't know amu yo. Okay. Yeah, gbe now. It's okay. Sister. Edo pa ye na kini ah, sister. Uwe wa leke Wane pona be Visi wodo Someone now have met you. Yeah, I have a cold way. It's a common woman. Okay, brother, you bene. Oh, you better yeah. I was where you are now. Yeah, better than ya total. Oh, we are good women in the hallelujah. Oh, but I want you. Well, when you make up better. Village here give mami buy battery ya tete eje mujo e battery ma yakpe mi na e battery ma yakpe the radio ma the battery yo ba be ugba my letter. Yeah, you need to have a fancy one. Look at me now. We need to have not to ya. Good. Here. Good evening. Men now. Ijo wa bota o wa re gbugba o uzola nekere majena o na uzola nekere akwa uzola no kwa na uzola nekere na yawe we mi yabo wa na uzola nekere akwa nia oga uzola no kwa I na do wuni hamu wa we kuzola negere o tena me kiri na ye wonu na no wa gbomu yo wa nu na me wa gbomu ti sa me wo ri me ti ri o akome do akome wa o me grigun igi e ti sita ya gun na odi na uzola nekere English naga the Saturday small Saturday the small Saturday uzola nekere the small Saturday nahi then akwe do the big Sunday oni uzola no kwa ibu ni eko hamu wa kwe ma we party so ilele stame adiodo igbakian ore ni agbawe aloko mi I love you gedegbe yan ko mu de baba na o ye ko hamu wa baba na de na no ko dene de ni amu ejo ko dene gion meni ena ni hamu wa ya yi wa em nita o because it was see wa good na good evening wa bota o iyen no ma imure o mama ekun eni stay hami ane you understand ne na ko gin na bete welcome o where you are welcome the Village girl, oh my Lord, oh, you make belly bova. No, they marry here. You got TB, you now learn about BCD, ONE1, TWO2, T January 3, FOUR4, FIV5, F5, S7, GA8, MOE, TE8. You got Yalaga, no day, you got BCD Kenya, Enoqua, Enekere, Itia La Janaka, I'll say name in the Titana Mary, Nana. You know, don't even start out. Where you are welcome, the village girl. Thank you. You are watching me. You are watching the comedy girl. If you are yagogo, so that a mere sonore we no yegbe yakuama. Negia o emi say aga file yakwa. It's one yani. You know, you are go. Yeah, you are mammo, yo. So burn out the women. You want why you were yago because it's time you bet in the come. Why? Uzola nekere ni majena. Akwa uzola nokwa. Na uzola nekere. So, happiness is free to be happy. When you don't happy, your mate will be doing bing, and they will not say what is happening to you. Then it will not be something no good at all. So we have to be ogogo. We have to be ogogo. Happiness is good. So when you laugh, your teeth is coming out. When you ogogo, you happy. Then everybody will not say, oh, this artist is very happy. This brother is very happy. When you oh, brother, go say stamoking. Me now. Because mommy, me have a sister, me have a brother. Happy in your okay. When you will be the happy in your wa. When you will be happy in your wa, money will be coming. Not hungry, not hungry. When you are hungry, money not the might be Tony. Money not the la bure. No, it is hardy. When you are going. When you are going like that, money will be very come, and because you are going and Osalopo Jesus Christ will be open the door, and you will be going. And when you are going, people need legawe. People need legawe. They will be even happy with uwe. Then when you are happy with uwa with them, then okay, bo. Yet is a bony. I imagine. Don't you understand this? So, don't. Yeah, when you when wagwe, don't be surpriser. Don't be a surpriser. Don't be surpriser. Apologizing you. So yeah, apologizing you. Don't be offender. When you offender, it is no good for you. But when you are happy, when you are going, every time you are going, everything be coming. Yeah, good for you. Everything go be the good for you. Me I come here to oh me I don't know. Maybe just go Severiana. We have a berena. Hey mommy, thank you, my baba, my sister. Una do. Oh. Yes, on a ibota, egana yagogo, egana where na we ado ya pe guwa. Wamiamia, eheri haini na we do a time uwa, ya time uwa miana, ori uwa garieri, ori uwa garieri video, wagi yo iyo mave we, like English naga iyo mave we, think, think. It's not goody. It's not goody. It's boom. It's kukudu. Yes, it's not goody like that. And when you are now doing boom, and it will not be no good. It will not be no good. So we don't need it, kaka. We don't need it. And ma, our woman, he went baby na young man. Oh, yes, is that when you went baby, but almost na, yeah, he must say na. Yeah, the Edo comedy girl. The village girl, he must say now. She said me you bota say it in English. It may say English. I'm not better. Better. Only a better day. I am not I am not no. I am not Moseve ana Imose. I'm not Imose ana. On yeah. Oh, you can rock, or you can money go along. Away, yeah. On the village girl must say, oh, the time I come out with Bammy, I like him, away, yeah. Okay, now, so, yeah, it's the time where ma away kind of eminujo me man away kind of eminujo erizede alarebo in egogo like in alakeo the ebonu matia will not tell me like my face is red and coloring it's more acceptable one more acceptable and you know me come no lele tamere brother every that face tamere I'm married now. Away I'm good. You not turn your when you turn around. You not turn around. You not turn around. You turn around in here. On that vi. Anahi. Ya wa mi nu gben. Bi ogoruo. Tita doge mi no gbe ana gbere. O gbe anahi. Ororo. Egbe ni gemi yan o yan bere o imebe ka mu gbe wi ti yo me gba ni ana be ja sleep he o sale po o mo no wa sleep no e de no gbe fi e na zola ne kere na sister me merci sister you know do clinic igi poto wa you know say poto wa you know be do yo bo yo pon when the brother now you want to ya mo na let me na to kin e baba na lele igi because him ma pariwo he say we work it do yo bo pe mi u do we what have Yes, when he go to sleep, he can't sleep, oh, can't sleep, can't sleep, What? Yeah, can't sleep. Oh yeah, come and remove me. Come and remove me. Come and go and sleep. Oh yeah, no, worry. Oh, allo play. We better go, man. Yeah, we le play, le. Mais le play, on doit moumer, ya love your deck and uje. If it is time, I hate that for me. Igba mwere igba tinya because yeah we the marriage bride me am go away marriage bride tell you away marriage wa we ya ke gwe lele we marriage bride wa mi on ya wa mali cut mo na were o because again na you sleep I can't sleep so now introduce ya give mama wa ya give mama wa okay you agree no oh we no mu jare and we yeah do you get me no okay ya ma wa mi eso wonia yama emi na tie emi eso ide o emi ni kun ye pore be na ya do ma wa wepo na wa pa ya ma wa many things many things things the way things of the things oni ye we logo the things of the things ya do ma wa na ya ka mo wa na tie be do ma oh emi yata we with ebo man ebo ma go go ma ya do teach you the things of the things in imure it then don't matter because if you yare ina we ni ya mekina ina we na mekina ina we ya do ma wa we do but here mommy pronounce the way when met we pronounce mo de baba bi mommy man no fe flavor di na bania abienye oh ma egwi o but flavor ẹ̀yin do flay ọgbaya kini a flay ma ọgbaya he love you well what the movement o he love music gbe cause sister brother then ya mu ere ni dota mu gba be do emi na tie be welcome anytime with emi now oh logo it's too hard for me every time it's too every time hard for me yeah come here I show you I come here na ni mure o ina we aka wa ita me we o ina we amulele gbe Esther mete we me many things. Our many things video. Ime wajere. I remember ina we don't come over because ikwe ya you wekbo me yaga aje. Ina we ya come over. Ave venire muyema. Ina we are do hamu wa bi no he. Emi na tie we do. Bokia o. Wa bokia ibegu wa o abota. Abuzala nekere. Ere gbuwa o nu wa ya ge me o wa wese. Gare mana because I'm a say ore happiness TV would wa subscribe wa we say even if come wa so wa be like wa be sio ya bu wa ya ge ya nu wa gele ge matata ebi ni mu ye po be na ya come wa na wa ti na be do wa ga ti temi na ti e be do what be you get po? What you na be do woman tita. Oh, what you na be do? What you be do? Na ya Oh no na what you be do? Ike o. Ya ye. Ike baby owo ya say. What you me na be do? English edo na ti vie ya kigwe ade ivie ya kigwe ade ya do ma very fancy way what you na edo anona iya o okay in English what is calling this? What is calling this in English? What call English in log better. What is the mommy? Oh, what on this? What they call this in do? What they call this? Oh, wamia. Okay. In English, you call in Edo nikere. In Edo, you call it ekuye no hua na yaron woman. Clap for me, oh, clap for me. Ekuye no hua na yaron woman. Na he mini in English, mini in English, big turner spoon, big spoon for big turner, big turning spoon. Yes, big spoon, to turn the woman or always a soup, to turn the pot of soup. Na hiyo imekipe wahe memula jest amete we ameme ya imia ya arugba po me what you know na mia me o what you know na we no gbogbo no ma me mama me sai wa me jere do here do amula diana what you know na what in a do what do you call this what do you call this call this abi cutlass call this ima what they call no the soup the big pot in English the biggest no the big potty soup the big potty soup the big potty soup. Is this. In Edo, mana potty ne no kwa na he potty no kwa na ya le nwomo ebe abu nwomo gi. That is for this. That is for this. So the biggest one for supu. For Baba come, family come, people come for your wa. Then you can cook the extra, the extra meat, yeah. They can take it for him to people. Then it will many, yeah. That is the biggest a pot of the unwome soup. Yes, that is this. I show you. Don't go. And this. Don't forget to look. This one. What they call it in Edo is ugwe pot in Okwa Yariere. Ugwe pot. The village comedy girl. Oh, Edo. This is the ugwe pot in Okwa. Na hiyo ni mome aemi no hi ugwe pot in Okwa. Onanaga a pot in Okwa. Na yalu nwome na hi. Then onanaga ugwe pot in Okwa. Na yalu nwome ogwe yariere omo. Yari ugwe pot in Okwa re. Na hiyo ugwe pot in Okwa na hi. Onanaga poti na yagwe na hi. Nokwa na yagwe poti nokwa. Na hiyo. I'll show you. Onanaga a poti no herese. A poti no herese na hiyo. Why how wama wa my moe? Why my moe? Because it's so mamiamiane. Poti ne here. Awe yamwe poti ne here re. Why only na alu wame onona. Uya temba. Na ya temba. Kento no ya mama yire. Amama yire. Only boiling of water. Boiling of water inside to make the gari eba. Yes. Boiling of water to make gari inside the eba. Yes. So on the a pot in here. That is calling. Is this? That is that. That is no. That is that. That is no. Yeah, no. Another ugwe pot in here. Ugwe pot in here. Na hiyo. How ma itane ya ugwe pot in here. Ukamo wene here ni awe. Yari ugwe pot in here. Oh, I mean, no ya small cover of pots. Na hiyo. Na we need to ma wae. Cause if you were poor day. We are lily stam. We are via lily. So na mo na ina mu lily. Na we are ma wae. I think in English is small potty. Small potty na ya it make water to boil and to make it the gari eba in the small pot. Na this is small potty. English itamu wana. Then Donald guy a potty ne here. Usameyo uyateba. Gwe na hiyo gwe. Potty ne here yari gwe ne here. Na hiyo. I show you people. I see. Yeah, I try today. Anona. Anona Edo manawe eho mean to cut to cut alimo to cut mango to cut bloody we ti wa hiaga bloody ye ne omo na ara agiagia that is for ayagia ebumehe ayagia elama is melu the cow. Melu the cow is onaya ikote that is the melu in the cow. Then is for the for cutting esikin ọkàn hia una akoke sikin wa akoke sikin okoko wa akoke then when the emikpo come, then when you want to kill the okoko to use it to if you want to use it to cut it, that's when you use to cut it the okoko and use it to cook emikpo soup. That is for and then yeah, no, sister, no, me yeah, don't you understand? So I can speak, I can try and speak the wonderful English. Yes, the wonderful English. In English conversation, in English, conversation English, me that it's a slice knife. Slice knife to cut the fish, cutting the melu lama, to cutting ebe maybe spinach na leni me do wa me when Nigeria ibu me ebe nesien ma ya le na woni ham wa ebu me be ya boyiwo ma ya gage ya oni ogo no na ina woni ge ma wa because wa mari jere ina woni ham wa o ona na ifie yare o ona na ra edo mana ati ukwe roba mi ukwe roba na ya nwa me na hi ukwe roba mi ne cup for drinking no cup for drinking. That is no rubber cuppy. Rubber cuppy for drinking. This is rubber cuppy for drinking. Well, I teach you. Then you will not know, and then your children will not be happy because they will not love to say it in a do language. Yeah, tell with a worima ukwe rubber. That this is a cup of water to drink, which is rubber cup water. Rubber no, that is for this. So in my way, in case you are here, Papa, on another guy, do matière, bere ukwe tumbler, ona ukwe tumbler wa hia same no ma we ana umune ona ukwe tumbler awe go ya same gi brother o ya ukwe tumbler o maybe we hisa na baba o gi owe na ori ukpure ona ukwe tumbler na hi in English okay ma you need only in English glassing of cup, that is glassing of cup. This is for glassing of cup. When you ask somebody to glassing, you will use it. You will know that this is the glassing of cup. Don't another one. Don't take in another one. This is the glassing of cup. Yeah, for drinking the zoom, for drinking the water. That is for glassing of cup, and many more. Yes, coming. Yes, and this now. Edo is ekuye, but in English that is problem. Oh, hi. In Edo is kuye, to use it to that is for ekuye. In English, eating the spoon. Eating the spoon. Me ekuye. Eating the spoon, use the spoon. Oh, English problem. English. Use the spoon to eat. Use the spoon to eat. In English, spoon. Give me spoon. Give me spoon. To eat. To eat that is for that. And this one is now the one that you will. This is the In Edo is plate. Plate. Yeah, plate. In Edo is plate. And the plate is now in English. In Edo is okpa. Okpa na yari okpa. In English is plating. Not plating of the hair. Oh. No, not plating of the hair. No, not plating of the hair. The plating, plating, plating in English. Plate. In my old woman with my old woman is okpa. Okpa na ya bringing food. When you bring in food, then we will not kuye. We will not kuye the oil. Then we will not keep the kuye. Then we will not keep the okpa for kissing. Yeah, a kissing. I keep it there. So this is the okpa. Okpa. Chopping the food. Okpa na ya chopping the food. That is the okpa na ya chopping the food. I just want to introduce her. Introducer marketing. No, marketing. Not market. Introducer. Introducer market. Ye potamiana. Okay. It's not my arrival. It's not my arrival. It's a common to see show. Go for showing you. So that you will not knowing it. You will not knowing it that this is the okpa in a Benin okpa na yari evae okpa. I speak Benin very well. Okpa na yari evae, but in the English that is the confidence the COVID difficultness for me. That is the daily difficultness because in English I go Bodo Yibo America. I speak Nain English. I speak English very well. Oh, when you take me to America, I speak English. I will not know me. Oh, you are saying the comedy, the Edo comedy girl, village girl. You don't know how to. I will speak. You are there. Nana Yibange. A person alweni ya die Yiba ya kalu ye ke elo toto ya elo I can use it to be learning it. That is for that. So I say I will show you all. So you people see the introducer. You people see the introducer. Don't say you didn't see the introducer when I introduce her for you. I introducer every other thing for you people. So I introduce every other thing introducer to you people. So and you people will now know that it is true to telling you say me I want to go Owa. Me I want to go Owa. They not go fear next tomorrow. They not go fear next tomorrow. Me I'm going to Owa. And my sister fiance say me I want to not go Owa. Me I want to not go Owa. That me I have to stay back. He's staying back. So me I tell my auntie no, me I no go slapping me no is love ye one. Me I no love ye one. Me I no love ye because it's not my Owa and I cannot mimiao. I cannot mimiao because it's not my Owa to love ye. So now I can go to my Owa. So me I tell my auntie telling me my auntie telling me say no, me I coming from. My auntie telling me no, me I from here and come to you people to to enter Bodo na yes ila ya begave bonu martin I will greet them like this. So tomorrow me I going. So when we are arranging the thing to come to where you people are beautiful like this and beautiful like this and I come I come and go come and going. I come and meeting come and meeting you people are here. If I come and meeting you people, I will come and be saying yeah oh I am available not available I am Sister Iman ni atami ya. I am back. I am around to I am around. Yes, I am around to do that. So I want to tell you that I am around to do that because I go to Owa, but I can't slap you because my eye cannot go. Because if my eye go now, it will be not a problem. My tita fiance he will now be telling me come here sikeme and me I will never secure it because it's not good because you are telling me to figbelega he wanted to see me he wanted to toss me. I don't want to figbelega me I will not sleep me I going to my house today me I going me I carry everything I come and show you people so that you people will know you people will hear that this is what Ihamuwa uzola nekereve na on Ihamuwa uzola nekereve na but I don't think you I don't think understand you people understand that I saying because many people are writing that I'm very beautiful. Yes, that Oyibo, you are doing her like this. If I come to America to do them like this, how are you? How are you? It's fine. Yes, it's fine. Your body is well. I take them. I look at them. Me, I come. Uzola no hua. Yes, Uzola no hua mean better son. Better son. English. Brother. That first time I tell me what me what when you are here no okay looking they will not be looking they will not be looking man then when they will not be looking man then I will not be coloring yes then when I will not be coloring when they are looking man then I will not coloring then so then I will not run then when they will tell me no I will not coloring then then when I coloring there they will not tell me don't come and going don't come and going and when you come back you come and be looking iyeke like this when you are looking iyeke like this they will not say you are looking iyeke come and not look iyeke again come and not look iyeke you have to come and be going me I don't want to me scaring them me I'm a beauty cut fed beautiful girl yes in a comedy adult comedy girl yes I am telling you that I can tell them the owa anaze owana owa me na come yes I will come here wo owa me na come owa me na come owa me na come owa he me na come here then me will tell them that me I will color them then I will tell them that me I don't want to let them to know where me are going for the owa my tita telling me to no not to do that not to do that that is not ferry that is not ferry that you have to learn English English is not in my standard. Yeah, English is not in my standard. It's not vying my body and putting the English every time. It's not in my standard. So I can spell English. When I put English, then I missed it. When I missed it, ogbolo, it's like so I will not miss it. I will not miss it the Edo and the English kugbe. When I do it kugbe, they will now telling me, okay, you are okay, where go. Then when you go, they will not say, where are you going? Where are you going? I will not tell them that. I don't. You telling me where I'm going. Then me and I telling them, yes, I want to going. People. The people will see me and they will not telling me that come and you are roulette, you are working. Where are you working to? Then me I will tell them, me I'm going. My tita is calling me because my tita your marriage is coming. So they are introducing a persona. They are introducing Evo to Abu for there. So when my tita introduce Tievo to introduce to come. So when they not come there, then we now introduce them. Then when they introduce them to come Evo, then my teacher will not telling me that yes, the Evo not coming the yasi, Evo not coming. When the Evo not coming the yas, then my teacher will not telling me to come here. Then when I come here with my teacher, then my teacher will not telling me, no, you don't come. You have to bring in everybody. Everybody around, everybody, please come. Everybody will not place come. When everybody will not place come now, then I will not siaga. Then I will not siaga. Then they will not totaing. When they will not totaing, then my teacher will not telling me to serving. Ni mwemi ni awon okay ni mwemi ni awon oh ma igwa tabebo oh my sister will not telling me to come to English my sister will not introducing me telling me to come here that is very high me that sister Imam English primary school school guy ijo imagine yani university egbo yan ye mu egbo me no ko ni ya mu mi ya ke na de is not there. I don't want. I can't English. Lọ́rọ̀ because English do lọ́rọ̀ because everybody are likely to zeloin. So English cannot be problem in the house. I can worsen. I can clean here work. I can cleansing. I can do and it is not dissolve him dissolve oh brother me at here it is not dissolve it all. It is not mattering. It's not mattering to know you don't zelebo You don't zelepo. It doesn't mean that you cannot know him. You cannot know him. When you know him, you can learn it. When you learn it, you can be zele. Udo azedo. Why? Udo azedo. Waga zedo obiama. But in English, speak the correcting our English. Yes, you will not correcting your English. You will not correcting it without pressure. You will not pressure it, and you will not be overlooking at it in the brain. You will not stinking it. When you're thinking it very well, then you will not know that that is the final bus stop for you to expression your attitude. Expression you are made to express. Who can help me express? You will not express. Yeah, I can learn everything. I will not express the English in a good manner. Manner is you. Manner in a good aspect. No. I will not experience. I will not experience. Bro, this is English now. Bolog be yet is Zenya Giemene. Express. I will not express. What women here? Oh, mene the village, mene the comedy girl. Who are women here? I will not experience. You hear me? God. Express. I will not express the oh God. Even the muo me that the water is filling in me. The water is filling in me. And then the water is filling in me. The water is filling in me. I will not zeleladian. I will not zoe. Yeah, when I zoe, yeah, zoe. Then you will not where don't yes, more zoe. That is like that. Ma. English you have time now. It's not a fault. Okay. When I speak, saying it, out of my out of my out of my heartstring, then you will not knowing that I voicing. Yes, you will not know that I voicing, and you will not no exproc me. Then you will not understandment. Yeah, you will now understood me that yes, this is what I be telling you my heart, my orion but telling me to tamawe, then I will not tell amawe. So you will not understand. So me, I want to tell you all that tomorrow will be uzola no hua me ahwe uzola no hua. Now Zola nehere me that tomorrow it be the big Sunday. Today is a small Saturday. Tomorrow is the big Sunday. So me the Edo comedy girl, village girl, the Osagwe one of universe. Yes, so I'm not beautiful, everyone. I think you doesn't like me. You people doesn't like me. When you people doesn't like me, you people will not be telling me you people will be liking me. You people doesn't like me like this. You people doesn't like me like this. Me, I will know answer. Me, I will know answer. Poblero. Poblero. It's not poblaing me. It's not poblaing me. Can't poblaing me. So, here we are. In English. Thank you for the conversation me. Thank you for the conversation me, and God bless you for loving me, and God bless me, and thank you for compress me, and remain for yeah. Thank you for remain for yeah. Yes. In English, thank you, thank you for lookings and lookings me. Yes, lookings me. Yes. Thank you for lookings. Where agreement. Yes. Thank you. And okay. My tita that come for Bodoyibo telling me I speak to my mommy and my daddy that wasn't me, that God that Jesus wa protect wa me afefe no wari oboyi man I can speak Edo very well man wa home egbera me emi ya ni wari oboyi odun na no wa no gwale be no gwale mo no gwale ho no gwale mi ya u mama gbon o sa lo bo ape ya o pe me nu wa be ni Jesus Christi ke no ma ere video na no be do re God in English no in Edo first among in Edo first among yes so lo boy bless you wa nu wa ya iwepo sa pa mi we ni wa ya we no ya hia no like o wa ga ni ma ni wa we mo we mi o ona Edo comedy girl mi we re o no we gie we mi no we ge nuwe gie owe osalobo afia gbowa owa atomo ahia kuwa ji o owe ere ki wa ko owa lawuda wa hia je o kabira me kebije me no we ge wa we me o wa lawo if you wa ihi o Miss the village girl ihi wa ge me very o I am the village Edo comedy girl. Yes, in very soon America girl. So on the way you are you on here where so me on our way lu so me on here you in English you looking you looking and so you looking and so sugar on sweet money no sweet honey sweet table sweet na me e me dey butter met no dey tonton no butter Betty you be dolly lo Hausa sweet lo yeah sweet like butter we say lamogu baba come on me waya we say o na do ye do hamu wa we say in English when you enter my Facebook like we allow the Facebook you enter the when you enter a Facebook book ni agban yo ni where you enter it where when you looking there when you not beg the me and writing for there have it my people, my beautiful people, my family, my Facebook friend Salobo bless you waya me that Chuku Goze me God will bless you all. Hey me, God will bless you. Then you people, ma. Woman. Hey, what's it? What's it? Emine rana hina. Brother, what's it? Brother, na wa mie o. O wa mie le suga ya le suga you, ya go le suga you we. Na wa mie le suga. Me ya tete yenwe titadika go fancy we he can go afone. He came we say brother, we say star. We say brother we tita. Ya pa na wa baba yo. Ina we ni hamu wa we la wo wa gu wa be ra me ke bi je me mo o sa gu me ne Oviedo se na miere wa mi ni ya grare mo Edo the Edo Comedy Village girl me no you wa the Edo Comedy Village girl me no wa yario boyo wa subscribe me no wa tememu wa ga subscribe wa give sioro wa ga give sio ave a friendly abo say yan do age yan lucky okay ke na ga gogo okay ke na ga ge na do mo do comedy na ladian do Comedy Village girl ina do mo ladian ni ma make na be agogo wa ya ge video me ugbe so wa so le ba gu wa mo wa be amowu wa na ge video me wa be gbogie egbo pa ma be you wa gbogie no pa mo so you wa gbogie so wala go wa ya subscribe me no wa press egogo na pe le school be ni gbengere wa ga press on it then anytime ya mo anything yo wa bege wa mi owo then wa ga ibe woni then wa be gben yo wa lucky me wa be gbon your video then wa be like wa be wa gben yo then wa be wo bo be anani mo passive school be ni iyan we be na good oni ugbera o market so wa we be na oni yes wa very good me wari eme wa lawo we digo eje wa ya tememu wa subscribe me ni wa comment ni wa like wa press egogo ni no re wa ni then wa be raine e mani be lega wa e mani siko wa e mani mogu wa no ma wa we say oni medoka mu wa mene the Edo Comedy girl the Edo Village Comedy girl I love you I love you gedegbe na gedegbe yin yes in English it meaning that it meaning say iwe yes iwe me and me odion me na do me paku me na is pop is temu me is bringing heart is big so me that I love you all yes and then you people will now in English go you people will not go great you people will not go you people will not go and scumming is not like this you people will not going when you people will not going and oh my mommy I see you my darling Sylvester ni sister oh you are welcoming and coming thank you now welcoming and coming as and you can go my happiness YouTube sign in and subscribe, and when you subscribe then you will not share it to people you love you you will not share it to them, then you will not liking, then you will not benemi your that is good goody, then you will not me every na daily you will not be seeing videoing I placing there. You will not be mio and seeing it, and you will not be liking. So I put in Edo Comedy Girl, the village girl in that in YouTube. Happiness name me Happiness TV. Go and go and subscribe for me. I love you all. I love you, and me, I love you very, very well. Me, I love you, everybody. Me, I don't want hungry. Me, I don't want hungry. When you are hungry, you come in. Go to Happiness YouTube and pressing and looking. You will be now laughing. When you be laughing, your belly will not be opening, then you will not eating. When you not eating, then everything will not be good. Yes, everything will not be good again. So I love you all, master. Okay, English. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Osagwe. Yes, the Edo comedy. Yes, the Edo village comedy girl. Yes, my YouTube names. It is Ogogo. Mean Ogogo is Ogogo. Joy. Yes, happiness. Yeah, so my YouTube anyway YouTube. My name on YouTube is happiness. Happiness TV. Happiness TV subscribing for me. Yes, Happiness TV for me. Happiness TV. Do going now. Please do going now and subscribing for me. Yes. Do go in and subscribing. Me will not look cuckoo. Me are not looking and look. Then me not see that my brother, my sister, love me for subscribing for happiness. Agbonoyin for there. I write it, be writing it in the video here. You see it there. You will know it's my comedy. Go and look at yesterday, day for yesterday. You will not laughing. We're not gear. We're not gear. You will not be thinking. You will not be thinking anymore about thinking. Oyo, it's not good. Oyo, it will not make your heart be doing back. Oyo, it's not good this time. So when you pray to Baba God, then the nekere no ike, then you put yourself and try to go going. When you are trying to go going, you will see that you will not be thinking again. Anybody here wants to make you doing big, your way to do it big. Tell it, harmony, don't come and do me back. Tell him to away because Jesus Christ is with you. Yes, it's with me too. Yes, you will tell that person you have Savior, you have Jesus. So be always happy. So that is why I am here. The Edo Village Comedy Girl. So always be happy and believe in yourself. Believing you can do anything. Me, I do many things, yo. I sell things online. I do any business. I can do anything as far as Jesus Christi is with me. Yes, you can do anything that will make you happy. Do it. This one I am doing now. I know that it will make you happy. Because it make me happy very well. It make me happy. Me, I don't know you, and you don't think you don't know me. Every around us, we are brothers, we are sisters. Yes, living in us. Yes, because when we are together, we are now a family, like in faith, like family. Yes, we are not a family like that. So we cannot be thinking. So that is not good. So everybody are watching me this video now in this Facebook. In this Facebook video now, we know that me, I'm a very, very supervised guy. Yes, me, I'm a very, very supervised guy. Always happy. Sometimes in my people will are telling me, no, why are you be entertaining others? Why are you entertaining others? You don't have to. No, that is what I like. Yes, I like to be being like a baby again. Oh, I like to be doing, because when we are a baby, we were doing Imababa. Oh, we were doing Imababa. Oh, when my mommy not calling me, my papa not calling me. Me, I know answer. Me, I was doing Imababa. Oh, Imababa is not good. When you cooking Imababa, when you taste it, with the rest and the pangolo, when you know, me now, I like it to do like baby again. People are doing like this, doing sakara. Yes, they are forgetting the time of doing a baby. Me, I like to doing a baby. If somebody are telling me you always doing that, no, why? You don't have to do that. Yeah, don't listen. What pleasing me? What pleasing me, I do it for you people to be happy. Yes, what pleasing me, I do it to you all to be happy. So me, I want you all to be happy. I will remove this video for you and put it on YouTube. Go and subscribe to Happiness TV so that you can watch it very well, because I start since, so you will look from the starting to the ototo, which is to the ending. So that is it. Always be always loving yourself. Yes, be always liking yourself, loving yourself. If you don't love it, you cannot love somebody. Always loving yourself, liking yourself. Anything that want to make you to be hungry, like electric. Electric is not good. When you are hungry, it's like electric it's sucking people. Don't angry na person. Always loving yourself, loving anybody telling you say I don't want it. Leave it them, because they don't knowing you, they don't knowing your heart. But Jesus Christ knowing you, because he giving you life. Yes, he loving you very well. Loving people, loving yourself. Don't dameoing. Don't ever dameoing. Always doing your own. Lanzia. Yeah. Always doing your own. Kitty. Don't listen. Don't thinking. Go to my YouTube, Happiness TV. Subscribe and press the bangara go for breaking time. Yes, press it together and like it and sharing it. You can carry your children. Stay in the parlor, watching it, and be laughing yourself. When you laughing, oh, you will not sleep a good sleep, because happiness is free. Happiness is free. You can be happy when you watching my video. I love you all. The village gang want to go now, but please don't failing. Don't failing not to loving me in katakpokokpo, subscribing for me. God bless you all. My name is the Edo Village Girl. Yeah, Edo Comedy Village Girl. That is my name. So thank you all for subscribing for me, for liking me. And me, I love you all, because for watching me, I love you all. For writing for it, I love you all. For subscribing for me, I love you all. For commenting, for inside, I love you all. For your a shocky, you are writing everything inside there. I love you. For going, liking, loving, liking. For gain. I see people are putting gain, me, laughing. It's Oma. Yes, it's very good for liking, for going. Yes, a problem. Always be loving, always be going. Happy is normal. Yes, a good thing in life. Yes, always love yourself and be happy. Thank you. Please, you see it there. Go and watch the rest and forget your sorrow. Don't think anymore. Happiness is free. The life is too short. I decided I can speak. I love to speak my Edo, but the English is Vakalagu. I can't speak it. The English is calculating me. I cannot. I think it every time. The English cannot be inside it. It cannot be inside it. It's not easy, and you can think it the English every day. The English cannot be inside it, because anytime I can come in, when I come in here where you people are flexing like this, I will be learning the English. I learning the English. When I go to anybody's house, I tell him I learn English. I want to learn English. They can't teach me. So yeah, you can teach me because yes, loving me. I love you, everyone. Osalobwa or love you, say yes, mean Jesus love you more. Yes, and believe in yourself. Yes, and believe in yourself. I don't know. Believe in yourself to know that you can be happy again. If you are not happy before, go and watch my YouTube. Subscribe for happiness. Shine Happiness TV. Subscribe for Happiness TV. Go and be watching it and forget this. Yes, you from now henceforth you will not be happy. I will be bringing you amenities. I don't want the one I'm doing now. I am okay with this. Yes. I will not be building as they're building over. Yes. I will not be going up. And you people will not be temeimu. Then I will come and appreciate you all. Yes, appreciate. Yeah, appreciate. Ma? Ma? Okay. Appreciation you all. I will appreciate you all my daddies, all my mommy, all my brothers in the Owa, in the housing, and my sisters in the housing. I will come and thank you all. When I thank you all, when you people are rising me, because if I'm rising, it's not a rising of Akpu. No. I'm not not rising of Gari na soaking in a rising. No, rising mean rising mates. When I will be rising, you people are not rising me as a daughter. You people not tememu. Then I will not be going YouTube like that. I will not have it. When I got the one, then I will not take everybody to my YouTube. And that time, I will be viewing. I will be making you all to be laughing. I love you all. Thank you. And subscribe you. Don't forget. I love you. I see you at the Nogbef Yahweh. Yes, me that I will see you Zola Nohua. And then only Yahweh. I'm your baby. I will see you tomorrow. I love you all. Don't care to no. Tomorrow will be always good. Tomorrow we are going to Miss Koi side. Yes, tomorrow we are going there. And me, I want to tell people how to do. Don't care me, oh. Don't care me. Me, I don't care him. Me, I don't care lady. When you me, I don't care lady. Me, I'm okay like this. Civilization laughing. He can speak in anything. Civilization now can speak in anything. It doesn't care. It doesn't care. Me, I don't see care. When people are saying me, I'm not doing like this, me, I'm not doing like this, me, I don't see care anymore because me, I speaking, people hearing and fully understanding me. Yes, understanding is another statement. I love you all. Subscribe to my Happiness TV and do it like this and share and ring the bell. When you subscribe, press the bell. Anytime I upload video there, you will see it. I love you all. I'm going to Agiapa, brother. Agiapa, my truth for the first way. Bye. Yes, he said go. Bye. Love you all. Come across this video. I want to take it out from here, but fast and subscribe right now and go and watch it again. I love you all. Bye and have a nice weekend. Bye. Believe in yourself. God is the head. If you believe in God, all things will be possible for you again. Bye. Love you all. Ciao.